In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a free business utility portal profile account at HubSpot. We're going to walk through the essential setup process from start to finish so your account is ready to use in a practical, organized way. This includes creating the account, verifying the main business settings, inviting your team, building a deal pipeline that matches your sales process, and importing your existing contact list with a CSV file. To begin, go directly to HubSpot.com and create your free business utility portal profile account. As you move through the sign-up process, make sure the information you enter is accurate and consistent with your business details. This first step is important because it lays the foundation for everything else you'll build inside the platform. Once the account is created, log in and move into the initial setup area. Next, complete the basic account verification settings. Focus on adding your company domain and setting the correct geographic location. These details help the platform align with your business environment and improve how your account behaves across tools and settings. Be especially careful with your domain entry, since that can affect how your company is identified later on. For location settings, choose the region that best matches your operating area so your account is properly configured from the start. After that, head to the user management section and invite your team members. Enter the email addresses for the users you want to add and review everything before sending the invitations. This is a good time to think about who needs access right away so the right people can begin collaborating early. Keeping user access organized from the beginning will make your account easier to manage as your team grows. Once your users are invited, configure the standard deal pipelines. The goal here is to mirror your real sales structure as closely as possible using your basic sales phases. Take a moment to think through how a deal moves through your business, from the first opportunity to the final outcome, and set up each stage to reflect that path clearly. A well-built pipeline makes tracking progress much easier and helps keep everyone on the same page. Finally, import your existing business card lists using a CSV file layout to create the base of your database. Before uploading, make sure